At syempre pa, if you want to experience another magical birthday celebration na gaya na kay Jillian, drop kayo po kayo dito sa Jollibee Batangas Palayaw ng Dr. Ennis Mark or manager on